to backup WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud. So you can back up your WhatsApp chats to your Google Drive or iCloud, whichever device you're using. So first, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then open up your WhatsApp. Now, after opening your WhatsApp, on the top right, you will have a 3-dot icon, and then go with Settings. Under Settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with Chat. Under Chats, you need to scroll down, and then again, you need to go with Chat Backup. Once you tap on Chat Backup here, in my case, I have a backup option. So I'll just simply go and select the Google account that I will use to set as a backup. Just scroll down and then go with Continue. And your Google account has been set. Now, in my case, it will all be backed up to my Google Drive. Or you can also use your iCloud if you're using your iPhone device. So go with backup, and that's it. My backup has been finished. And in this way, you'll be able to back up your WhatsApp chats to your Google Drive or to your iCloud. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.